Hello and welcome. This is Enoch for Living Waves Media. The wait is over. The best vlogging camera is finally here in India. In this video, we are going to see about the launch of Sony ZV-1 for Indian buyers. Has Sony finally made the best vlogging camera? Let's find out. All the footage you're seeing was just shot on the all-new Sony ZV-1. It's a brand new digital camera aimed at YouTubers, vloggers, beginner filmmaker or everyday home users. The camera is packed with some of the cool features which makes it the best vlogging camera of 2020. There are a lot of options for vlogging, namely mirrorless cameras, iPhone, Osmo Pockets and whatnot more. But here are some of the features which make the ZV-1 stand out from all the competitors. The ZV-1 sports a 3-inch slide flip-out LCD touchscreen, which is perfect for vlogging and selfies. It sports a 1-inch sensor, which is twice the size of sensors in iPhone or Osmo Pocket. With a single push of a button, the camera lets you capture great videos without any technical know-hows. With a push of a button, the background defocus is enabled and the subject is in focus and the background gets defocused automatically. The camera uses ZS 2470mm lens and supports aperture up to 1.8 to 2.8. Another great feature is the product showcase feature, which is very useful for product reviews. The camera shifts focus between the face and the product. Real-time AF and real-time tracking for quick and precise autofocus and subject tracking is present in the camera. The autofocus is very fast and focuses on the eyes perfectly. Keeps your faces very bright even in bright sunlight. Gives very natural and vibrant colors. Natural skin, soft skin effect gives a very natural and smooth complexion. Sony has kept in mind the content creators and put in a 3-directional capsule mic which picks up crisper audio of anything in front of the camera while minimizing background noise, so you get a dead cat which cuts down on the wind noise. The ZV-1 uses active steady shot that ensures steady video while moving even when handheld while walking. This mode combines optical and electronic stabilization methods for more effective results. The camera handles frames and resolutions up to 4K at 430 frames per second and 1080p at 120 frames per second, and 2-second bursts supports up to 960 frames per second at 420p. Wide range of frame and resolution is being supported. ZV-1 was launched worldwide on May 26, 2020. We Indians had to wait some more time to get our hands on it. In India, it is launched through Amazon Prime platform on August 6 midnight. It is available from midnight only for Prime customers. At a later date, it will be available for all the customers. It is exclusively for Amazon Prime customers and the sale starts on 6th August. Do remember to click on the notify button in the page. The link is given in the below description. Visit the link and click on the notify button. The ZV-1 is being launched exclusively on Amazon Prime Day sale at a special discounted price. Discount from MRP is given and the Vloggers accessory kit worth 15k is given free. Let's quickly look what is inside the box. There are some cool accessories which are bundled along with the camera. Bluetooth connectivity tripod, and also you get a memory card and a dead cat, a USB cable for connectivity. The Bluetooth tripod which comes in the box highly flexible and it is easily tiltable and stable and comfortable. It has Bluetooth connectivity and it works as a Bluetooth remote. It has dedicated buttons for photo, video, zoom and camera C1 function for recall and other functions. And the price is close to 10,000 when bought separately. It is given along freely with the pack. Camera is very compact as the lens retract into the camera and it can fit into a pocket. The camera features Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity to enable instant transferring of image and videos to mobile devices for direct sharing in online and social media platforms or to cloud storage sites. Inside the box there's a 64 gigs memory card which when bought separately comes up to 2500 rupees and it has a write speed of 70 Mbps and read speed of 270 Mbps, which is great for 4K videos. Sony has listed this camera at 77,990 and in Amazon it is discount. There's a discount of almost 10,000 and it is listed at 67,990. And additionally, there's a HDFC discount of 10%. So this is a very great deal and don't miss out on this. The link is given in the below description. Visit the link and click on the notify button. The problem with most beginner vlogger cameras like iPhone, GoPros, Osmo is that the internal audio is very bad and requires bulky external audio setup. Sony has kept in mind the content creators and put in a 3-directional capsule mic which picks up crisper audio of anything in front of the camera. There's an additional 10% discount for HDFC Bank cards, debit, credit and EMI transactions. In case you are not a Prime subscriber of Amazon, it is the right time to subscribe. Consider subscribing to the Prime subscription. There are a lot of wow deals available as well. So in case you are not a Prime customer, it is high time you register and get all the benefits out of it. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more exciting videos on technology, media and many more interesting topics. Have a great time. Bye. This is Enoch signing off. Thank you.